What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with the video of the year. Of course, you don't want to miss the video if you're a big Toshi holder or you're looking to add more for Toshi, just like me, because I do believe this coin is still super early. You haven't missed out. I think this coin can do some crazy X's. I'm going to show you here in the charts. We hit over 1,000 views already in my Toshi price prediction. If you didn't know, I have a price prediction playlist on plenty of coins, and I just posted my price prediction on Toshi, and it's up 1,000 already in just in 2 days, basically. So it's really good. And look, if you guys want to know where I trade Toshi or buy it even on spot, it's on BTCC. And if you use my link, which will be the pinned comment or in the description, you get 10% deposit bonus right there, or you can just get it and just put in the code Sir Lewis, right? But if you click my link, it'll basically be it'll add that Sir Lewis automatically. And then what happens is every time I have a campaign, you'll be able to participate. So it's not just a one-time bonus. And that 10% deposit bonus over 500, you get 10% over 500 bucks deposited, and the max reward is 10K. So take advantage of that. Use the link right there. And let's take a look here at Toshi, because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys want a Toshi update because, I mean, this coin has been outperforming the market. We've seen the market came down hard, and this coin did come down here. They retraced here. If we actually look here, right, I'm going to give you an update on Toshi and where I see it going. It came 33%, right? But the market, you know, Bitcoin crashing down, bringing a lot of altcoins down. Toshi's been outperforming it. I mean, we've been pumping here the last couple of days and holding this strong. Now, if you haven't seen my price prediction video yet, go check it out after this video on Toshi, because we got some crazy high parts here, all-time highs here, which I believe it can hit based on this huge measured move here ever since it exploded due to being listed on Coinbase. And that's the big thing about Toshi. It is set up to explode after it breaks out of this and we go into altcoin season, because it's listed on Coinbase. Its chart has been amazing, right? The charts speak for itself. And this is why it's been doing pretty well recently, because it has a bullish chart, in my opinion. And it's going to be on base. We know Coinbase is going to push base. If you guys want a video on my top 5 base meme coins, comment below, right? Comment another base meme coin you guys want me to look into, and maybe I'll add it into that top 5 base meme coins. But base is going to be huge. And right now, I think the play right now is looking and adding to your bags these base meme coins like Toshi, right? I would say Toshi, Brett, and Degen are like the big ones in terms of market cap. But there's some other low cap coins. And look, Toshi used to be a super low cap coin, like back in here before it exploded. So there's a lot of low cap coins that are similar situations to Toshi from back here that haven't got listed on Coinbase yet and are on base and are growing and have great charts. So if you want a top 5 base meme coins, comment below and comment what coin you guys want me to check out. But what's interesting here about Toshi, as it's in this big asymmetrical pendant, that once it breaks out, it's going to make some big moves here, is the fact that we resetted that daily stochastic right there. You see that daily stochastic? We've been overbought here on the daily since basically June. Yeah, June 29th. So basically the entire month of July, and a little bit from June, we've been overbought. And with this pullback, we resetted that overbought to oversold. Now, the bullish thing here is the fact that we're putting in a higher low. You see that? It's not like we dumped all the way back here to the 618, right? No, we were putting in a higher low because we already got a nice bounce, resetting that stochastic on the daily. And now on the weekly, we're ready to continue this bullish momentum here where we bounced off your near oversold levels, right? So on the weekly, we're looking great here. We're putting in higher lows. Obviously, we have lower highs here because we're in this huge asymmetrical pendant. But once we break out of this, man, I mean, it's going to be game on, because you don't want to miss Toshi here once it breaks. And this is why I think Toshi is still underrated. You might think, oh, I missed out on Toshi. No, Toshi it's still at a great position right now, right? Yes, you missed out the Coinbase listing, but still it's been forming. I mean, it's been consolidating here and forming this asymmetrical pendant to, when we get that measured move, which usually plays out, I mean, we're going to explode here possibly to the 618. And I go deeper into this in my price prediction video for Toshi. You guys should check it out. But we can, my prediction is that Toshi will at least conservatively 10x, right? 10x from where it's at right now, of course, right? If we get the top of the pendant, that's like a 7x. From where it's at right now, or when I made that video, it was about a 10x. Right now, it's like a 9x, but still not bad, right? So I'm super bullish on Toshi. And in fact, if you go right here on the 4-hour, and I'll share here my my private indicator, which is the fib waves, you'll see that on the 4-hour, the fib waves have been killing it. Every time we're in this green zone, it's the best times to DC into Toshi. You see right here, buy, buy, buy. We broke out of it. Boom, right? Right here, buy, 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 bottom, right? So if you want to get my private indicators like the fib waves, which it shows you the best times to buy and sell based on Fibonacci levels, you can check it out in my description. Just look at my link bio. We'll see, you know, my private indicators, and we can see right here as well, even on the weekly, right? The best times to buy Toshi was right here in the green, right here back in June, and we've been up a ton since then. So, you know, this will also be good when we're exploding here. We're going to be in that deep white right there. So you want to definitely check that out. And another bullish, you know, thing here regarding one of my indicators is this. This is my market sentiment indicator. And this is a special one because it's based on market sentiment. It's a social indicator. We don't see too many social indicators out there, but it measures market sentiment. And you can see each time we have a huge explosion like that, usually the best times to sell. The best times to buy is when we're going deep here into the green, which was recently, right? You see this recent little dip right here for Toshi. That was a good time to buy. And then it also caught the bottom right here when we started dipping down here into the green. So this is another indicator that is great to know market sentiment for a coin like Toshi, for example, and also Bitcoin. So check it out. You know, if you guys want my private indicators, it is on WAP. There's a membership. But again, on Toshi, on the monthly, we can see right here that we're just getting ready to explode here, right? On the monthly, you can see how we're just, I mean, we're up big on the monthly already. Right, we just started the month here. We're up green on the month on August, and I believe this month there's a chance we can break out of this. If I mean the worst, I mean I could see something like where we test the top, pull back a little bit, and then next month we break out of this. If that happens, obviously the next target is going to be basically around here, around 0011, right? 0011, 0010. So right now, in my opinion, it's a great time to add to Toshi. As long as it's in this asymmetrical pendant. I mean, what can happen is, you know, you could buy the breakout too, right? But we're most likely going to come back for a retest and then bounce off. And that could be very fast. That might not, you know, take weeks or something, right? We can break out, retest real quick, and then break to the upside. So right now I'm actually looking for Toshi longs here, like low leverage longs. That's why I've been getting into a lot of coins during this pullback. And again, don't let this pullback scare you. I believe the market will move up with the interest rates coming down, especially now with the jobs report coming out bad. They're definitely going to be forced, Powell's going to be forced to bring interest rates down, which is going to help the market and a lot of coins and altcoins, especially like Toshi. So yeah, I mean, Toshi, super bullish. Again, watch my price prediction video, guys. If you want a top 5 base meme coins, like lower cap meme coins before Toshi got listed on Coinbase, comment a meme coin below, comment that top 5 base, and I'll make it. I'll make the video. Check out my price prediction playlist. Comment a coin on there you guys want to do a prediction on. And yeah, love you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.